To maximize IT productivity with GoTo Resolve, you're going to want to understand how this tool can enhance your team's efficiency. If you're searching for a way to improve your IT support processes, GoTo Resolve may be the solution, but is it the best choice? Stick around to find out why, and I'll also show you some powerful alternatives you should consider. First, GoTo Resolve offers a comprehensive remote support experience. If you're tired of wasting time with clunky setups and slow connections, this software helps you quickly access systems and troubleshoot from anywhere. With features like screen sharing, file transfer, and remote reboot, you can solve IT issues faster, which directly boosts productivity. Next thing, the user-friendly interface. One of the biggest challenges with many IT productivity tools is complexity. GoTo Resolve does a great job of making the interface intuitive, which means less time spent on training your team to use it. However, if you're looking for deep customizability, this may feel limiting compared to other platforms that offer more robust configuration options. The third thing I want to touch on is integrations. GoTo Resolve integrates with a range of third-party tools that many IT teams use, like service desks and network monitoring tools. But here's the catch, it's not as extensive as some competitors. If you rely heavily on a custom tool or need niche integrations, you may run into some roadblocks. Now, let's talk security. GoTo Resolve uses encryption to protect your data, and it has solid security measures in place. But for teams with heightened security concerns, the lack of certain advanced features, like custom security protocols, might be a deal breaker. It's good, but could be better. Fourth thing to consider, pricing. GoTo Resolve's pricing is competitive for what it offers, but it might not be the most cost-effective choice for smaller businesses or those with fewer users. For larger teams, though, the value is there. Still, it's always worth looking into what other tools offer at a similar price point. Now, the thing that really sets GoTo Resolve apart is its customer support. When you're dealing with technical issues, having access to quick, reliable support can make all the difference. GoTo Resolve offers 24/7 support, but some users report longer response times during peak hours. So, how does GoTo Resolve stack up overall? It's a solid tool for IT teams looking to streamline their support processes. But is it the best fit for everyone? Not quite. That's where the alternatives come in. There are other tools on the market that focus on maximizing IT productivity more effectively, especially if you're looking for more customization, integrations, and advanced security features. For example, tools like Alternative 1 and Alternative 2 provide more flexibility, robust integrations, and better support options, making them ideal for larger or more complex IT environments. To sum up, GoTo Resolve does a great job in several areas, but there are other platforms that might suit your team better depending on your specific needs. But don't just take my word for it. Through our link, you can get access to an exclusive extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, plus some incredible alternatives that may actually be a better fit for your IT productivity goals. These platforms also offer free trials, so you can test them out with no risk. Check the link in the description to get the best deal and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.